That's not pigeon. That's fasolka po brytyjsku.
Hi guys, we just want to tell you a quick update about information of mice here. So the thing is that we still think that they might be there. In case of that, we tried to solve the problem of placing new mouse traps here. So we use peanut butter as bait to just make mouse come here and make them catch the trap. And yeah, we have more traps here, and hopefully something will happen and mice are gonna be dead. Yeah, maybe I forgot to tell you that the safety of the mice is our priority as it was before. That's all for me, thank you, and see ya.
Right, it's gone.
Już odnosi nagrywa. Hello there, after a quick update on the mice situation, we are coming to the right part of the video where I will show you how to cook a pigeon. Our guest star chef will be Ratatouille. I don't know if he'll come, maybe. He's invited, okay. So, first thing you need to do when you are cooking a pigeon is prepare the pigeon beforehand. So I already did that. I store it in this very nice jar. You have to believe me, I did it all by myself, yes? Okay. So the second thing you need is a stove that you are gonna heat your pigeon. So okay, you have your stove. The second thing you need is a
I need to check in my dictionary. Wait a minute. Right, yeah, it's actually a pot.
Okay, so the second thing you need is a pot. I'll show you our collection of pots. Maybe you can come closer and inspect them as well. Okay, so I have 2 or even 3 very nice pots, but today I'll use this one because I like the handle very much. Okay, so we can close this now. What you do now? Oh, okay, chill out. You have to put the pot on the stove, okay? That's very important. Now, you pick up your pre-prepared...
By your granny, yeah?
No,
You lied
by
before.
myself.
Your granny did it for you. You lie all the time.
Who's making the video?
I am.
I prepared these pigeons before. I caught them myself on my roof. Okay, so now shake it here. Very nice. You can pick some fork to help the pigeons to get out of the jar, of course. And now you can open. You can like hear the sound of this pop. Oh, you heard that? Very nice. Okay, you can smell it. Smell it.
But they
Smell
cannot
it.
smell.
So you smell it. How does it smell?
Oh,
Very nice. Oh, very
It's
nice.
outrageous.
Wait, that's not pigeon. That's fasolka po brytyjsku. Co to kurwa jest? Okay, so it turns out I have many jars of different foods stored around the house, and accidentally I picked not the pigeon one but the
Beans.
Breton beans one. So yeah, it doesn't matter. You prepare the same way, so you can watch. Come closer. What's fascinating for Breton beans, you don't need a fork because they will come out very smoothly. You can come closer.
So
to
it's
watch it.
even easier to
It's even
prepare.
easier. Watch. You
Of
see
course,
this?
yeah.
Oh, very nice. Oh, Jesus. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
It tastes really, really good.
Very nice.
Yeah, very well.
Very
well.
nice.
Alright.
Yeah, now you see the jar is empty and I didn't use any forks.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, if you wanna be a clean person like myself, you can clean the jar before throwing it away. Yeah, very nice. So you, oh yeah, you spill it out and just put it there for now. Just for now. Okay, now don't forget to be hydrated all the time. Yeah, okay, the most important thing is to fire up the stove. Okay, so I have the ancient stove as I told you before. So what I need to do, grab this kind of lighter, it has to be blue, and now you have to put on the gas. You do it like this, come closer, oh, very nice, and now you just light it, bam, it's on. Now, very important, put the beans over the fire, little fireplace, and watch it. Yes?
May I come closer?
Of course, but be careful, it's dangerous. Now, you should use a spoon, but I pulled out a fork before, so I'll just stick with the fork. Just do this stirring and...
Yeah, for a couple of minutes you can make it cut now. Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Okay, I just turned off the stove. My Breton beans, I think they are ready. You can take a closer look.
Yes,
Very
I
nice.
guess they are.
Are they hot?
I can check it. Yeah,
Oh, very
definitely.
nice. Okay.
Definitely.
So now you have to find something to eat them from. For me, I prefer a bowl just like this one. Very nice, very white, very clean. I cleaned it myself before the video. Okay, so now take your beans, take your bowl, and just try to transfer them without spilling, preferably over your sink, not to destroy anything. Okay, very nice. Now, just put it here. Your worker can take care of the cleaning afterwards. You can,
You mean the cameraman?
the cameraman, of course.
That's not right.
Okay, usually you eat your Breton beans with some kind of bread, but I was prepared to eat some pigeon today, and it was just an honest mistake. I don't have any bread in the house, so we'll have to improvise. That's what great chefs do. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, we have some bread that is not really a bread, and it might have been Daisy's dinner a few days ago, but I'll have to risk it. So, okay, come closer, you can see how you open such a package. Okay, you have to take the smallest knives in your house, remember the smallest one, and just put it, oh nice, you have to be very quick and very powerful. Yeah, just put it back in there, anywhere. Just now open it. I have to inspect it. It was attacked by any mice, but it seems to me that no mice has eaten any of my kind of a bread. Okay, now, very nice. Close it again. For safety, put it in your freezer. Yes, not fridge. Freezer. Yes, very nice. Put it there. Now, you can take additional plate to store your store your kind of bread, because you don't want it floating in the Breton beans. It will soak the sketchy sauce, and yeah, you know how it goes. Yeah, you know. Yeah, he knows. Okay, open this. Oh, very nice. And just lay it out. Very nice. You have to throw this out very carefully so the mice cannot smell where it's coming from. Now, very nice. Let's get back to the kitchen and check how it tastes. I prefer a smaller spoon, but you can also consume your Breton beans with a bigger one. Okay, we'll move from here because the mice are living somewhere here and that's disgusting. We'll eat at our eating table.
Dining room, you mean?
Dining room, of course, yes. So just a few steps. It's very clean. We cleaned the table yesterday, so okay, I cannot actually do this. Yeah, just sit down. You can sit down. Yeah, just at least pretend it's clean. Okay. Oh, very nice. Yes. So now we can get to the nice part, which is eating. Yes. It smells delicious. Okay, but
Tell me, how does it taste?
yeah,
Don't be.
yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, very nice. Now you can dip your bread in the sauce and just very nice, very nice. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We really appreciate every new subscriber, so subscribe to our channel, like the video, post your comments below, but only the nice comments. And also you can now follow us on Instagram at Zebra Boys. Because the Instagram is not yet up, I will set it up right now. So if Zebra Boys is taken, it'll be Zebra Boys 69. Yes. Thank you. Goodbye. Fuck off.